So in honor of my latest video game that I picked up from my Nintendo Switch, My Hero 1's Justice 2, I decided to pick up a figurine to go along with it. If you recognize this character, you will know that this is the lead character on the anime My Hero Academia, Izuku Midoriya. So let's get into the unboxing of it. When you look around the box, you have branding of My Hero Academia, Izuku Midoriya on the side. This is from the McFarlane line of toys. You have extra hands so you can change the pose. You also have a stand that you place your figurine on, as well as more branding at the bottom with a nice drawing of them. And then at the bottom, this is your clearance price. When you look on the back, it just shows you all of the other characters that are available. So let's look at the figurine in its details. So you can see the detail is nice. Hair looks great. They didn't get lazy at the bottom, which is really good. They didn't get lazy and just put like a few little chunks in the back of it, maybe a few spikes in the back, but nothing really. They took the time to put detail throughout the entire head. I love the hood. The torso bends. Still kind of stiff though, I will say that. The elbow bends. Not a full 90 degrees, but it bends just enough. It extends almost completely. Still a slight angle to it, but not that bad. Your knees bend. It's it has like a clicking mechanism in the knees. Whenever you bend it, you can hear like it locking in place. The feet, let's see. They do move side to side, but more inward than outward. The belt is non-removable. See if it has any branding on the bottom. This looks like it's just telling you all the legal things behind it, but nothing really. Overall, I like it. So let's put it on the stand so we can get an idea of how it looks. So I have Izuku standing next to my Goku Black figurine that I picked up off of eBay that was shipped from Hong Kong for like $6 a few years ago. And the differences in the quality is day and night, meaning that the Izuku figurine looks much better in detail and quality, where you can move the ligaments, the detail in it, where with the Goku Black, the paint job is not as nice. It's not a nice finish. And I will say this, I don't think that this was a legit version of this figurine at all, because of the price tag and also just the overall quality of it. But I still like it nonetheless. But comparing it to Izuku, the Izuku figurine, you can see the difference completely in the paint, where you can really see the different color tones, where that quality on Goku Black just kind of seems meh with the color. It doesn't seem as if the same amount of detail was put in him. Let me grab him and look. Like, I don't know if it will pick up on my camera, but the paint runs like around the finger. And it runs here, kind of choppy work. You see how sloppy it is at the bottom? Where when you look at the detail on here, it's more together. The paint doesn't run. There's true tones going on with that. The paint work is not sloppy on the feet. There's detail everywhere on this figurine. I spent $15.97 for it, and I would think that if it wasn't a clearance deal, it probably would have easily been about $30 for that figurine. So overall, I definitely would recommend, if you see him at your local GameStop, comic store, any of those kind of places, to pick one up. If you are a collector like myself, you would definitely appreciate the quality work that went into creating this figurine. And if you're a fan, definitely, of My Hero Academia, you want this. Why wouldn't you want it? It's, it's Izuku. Who doesn't want Izuku? So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to thumbs it up. And we're out. Thanks for watching.